Good afternoon, class. This project was created by Michelle and Dominic. On our screen now, I'm showing you our lesson plan. This lesson plan is for PE. This is a physical education lesson plan, and it involves a circuit with different stations and walking. So, in this lesson plan, we tried to integrate goal-based scenarios into our lesson by teaching the students to learn by doing and how they can reach their desired fitness goals. I feel that teaching our students how to assess their own fitness goals, set goals based upon their assessment, and create an action plan to achieve their fitness goals will be an important lesson that we can teach them, and it also sets them up for lifelong learning. If you scroll down the page, you'll see our whole lesson plan, which includes the standards, the different learning domains. There's a video here that you can click and access and watch what the students will be doing. It shows the lesson focus, the closures, all the basic stuff that's needed for the lesson plan to teach for this particular lesson plan. We also included a quiz, and if you click on the quiz, it's a Kahoot quiz. So in the quiz, I'll let you guys do that. But this quiz shows the 5 elements of physical fitness. So it's going to show a quick little video, and then they'll take the quiz. The next thing we have is our virtual reality. So when it comes to trying to integrate the gaming, simulation, microworlds, and programming into our project, we had decided to go with the virtual reality in physical education. We'll be using virtual reality at the beginning of our lesson in the introductory activity or the warm-up, our instant activity. Since the lesson focus will be based upon cardio, flexibility, muscle strength, and endurance, we thought that incorporating kickboxing virtual reality would be a great tool in helping the students meet some of those components. Also, there's a rubrics in here. We use Google Classroom as well. We'll click on that and show you. So there's a little link here, our button that says click here that Dominic included. I'll show you our page real quick. So this was our Dominic and Michelle's PE class. I actually use Google Classroom in my real classroom at the school that I teach for PE. And it actually is a great tool for communication with my students. So the way students would be able to access this page is you can either click up here for students and you would invite students. Usually it will send an email over to them and send them this class code here. Or you can just simply, I just put the class code on a whiteboard and then they copied it down and they were able to get into my Google Classroom like that. Google Classroom is a great way to help you organize things, your classroom. The button down here shows, if you click on it, you can see where it says create an announcement, which I use that a lot in my class for any type of thing, to let them know when they're going to run the mile, just different activities that we'll be doing. You can also create an assignment in this, or questions. So this is a real great tool. Dominic and I were also using this to communicate back and forth with each other as well. So it's also a great tool. And that is our project, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.